Hey everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today we will learn about the sum product in Excel. That said, if these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified. Just for a quick info, if you want to upskill yourself, master business analysis skills and land your dream job or grow in your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various business analytics programs. Simplilearn offers various certification and postgraduate programs in collaboration with some of the world's leading universities like IIT Roorkee, Purdue, and CBAP. Through our courses, you'll gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like prescriptive and predictive analytics, regression, classification, and over a dozen others. That's not all. You also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects and learn from industry experts working in top-tier product companies and academicians from the top universities. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into a business analytics role as a fresher or moved on to a higher paying job and profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box below to find a business analytics program that fits your experience and areas of interests. Now, without further delay, let's get started with our one-point agenda, which is about sum product in Excel. So, sum product in Excel. So, it's a combination of both sum and product function. So, for this, let's imagine you're in a store and you are supposed to calculate the price tags of certain products or the overall products. Let's say a customer or a client come to your store and he purchased like 10 items and you have to calculate the rate and price and the total price, right? So individual item might have its individual rate and into number of quantity of products he purchased and the sum total. So you're conducting two different operations here, right? So sum product is a replacement for those two. So I have the same example here. So these are the clients, these are the products and quantity, rate, and you need to calculate the price and total sum, right? So ideally what you would do is you would multiply this with this and you will get a number. And similarly, you would drag it all to the end and here you would summarize this. That's how you usually do it. But what if I said you there is a shortcut where you can do this all the way in just one click? All you have to do is just sum product, select it by pressing tab, and now give the arrays. This one and this one. You will get the same number. Now, sum product is a little brilliant. So what I mean to say is, let's say if you wanted to calculate for only product 1, quantity of product 1 or the price of product 1. Can you do that? Yes, absolutely. Just a minor change in the formula. Select the same sum product and ensure that you are giving the products column as well. But ensure that is encapsulated inside a bracket. So give the entire column, close the bracket, and now the quantity. Ideally it should work, but it will not because we are providing a comma here. Because, okay, let's see it. So you get 0, which is not the right answer. But why? Because we are giving two different parameters, and out of the first two, the first one where we have B3 to B8, this particular parameter is acting or it is returning a Boolean value. So to make sure that the Boolean value yields into an actual value, instead of comma, you should be providing a star. Now it will work. Okay, we forgot to encapsulate this one inside a bracket as well. Here, it's really simple. We have to give a referencing cell. So let's say I'm adding the referencing cell over here, and this particular value should be equals to this cell. And now I think it should work. There you go. So that's how you can use sum product in Excel. And if you want to calculate the price tag, the value or the formula is a little similar. Again, sum product, press tab to select the function, and the array should be equals to this particular value. Make sure to encapsulate that within a bracket, and then you finish the formula by giving a star and the rate. I think we also need the quantity here. Enter. Yeah, that's the value. Yeah, and that's how we use SUMPRODUCT in Excel. And with that, we have come to an end of this session on SUMPRODUCT in Excel. Should you need any resources that we used in this session, or if you require PPT, dataset, etc., and if you have any doubts regarding this tutorial, please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be more than happy to resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.